Brought to you by Smokeless Chimney, the adapter plate, air tubes, and fan transition. These are all components in a combustion air system. This is the opening combustion air port on a Lopi Revere stove. It is 8 inches wide, 1 inch tall. All the combustion air goes through this air port into the combustion area of the stove. This is an adapter plate that seals off the air port and allows the air to go through a 24-inch tube that can be inserted. This is a 2 air tube system air plate with 1 magnet and a gasket. 2 24mm air tubes can be inserted into this opening. It just happens that 24mm is about the largest round tube you can fit into this port. This is the from a slightly different angle, showing the sound that the control rod makes. It's kind of loud and obnoxious. This is a 2 air tube adapter plate. We're going to insert 2 air tubes with a fan. Two 24mm tubes, a fan transition, and a fan. The black part at the end of the fan is the fan transition. It's a 3D printed flexible part. Goes on and comes off easy enough. This is an adapter plate that accommodates 4 24mm tubes. I'll put in 2 here. This is how the fan fits into the transition piece. Just press fits in there. And I wanted the fan to fit so you could see it, so I'm twisting it around a little bit. All the parts, the adapter plate, the air tubes, fan transition, all the components are made here at Smokeless Chimney. Smokeless Chimney, warm homes and clean air for everyone. www.smokelesschimney.com